yung tingin mo sa kalaban mo, parang kailangan totoo ka ng balik-unit sa mo para makuhaan ng puntos. But sa inyo, pinag-isipan lang kayo, napakalawak ng totoo nyo sa XP, mag-ipag kayong penta to, pwede kayong makabuo ng team na ilalaro natin ng sa World Tour. Mas malaking pera, kaya lang, mas malaking mas magiging, mas magiging yung labanan. Right now ba, nakikita niyo yung sarili niyo na you will be representing Philippines sa World Tour or maybe sa Olympics?
It's not up to us naman po yung kung sino mapupunta sa World Cup or Olympics po. Sa coaches din po yun. Pero we'll stay ready po. Kaming 5 players po kami. And if ever man matawag po kami, syempre po ibibigay pa namin yung best po namin.
I think for now po, it's too early to tell since mas bata pa po kami. So, I think we have like 5 more years to play. Pero, masyado pang maaga yun para sabihin. Pero syempre, of course, gusto namin naman sa ganun yun.
Siyempre po, tsaka ano po, mag-iintan mo rin sa tawag ni na coach kung kami po yung mapili na mag-represent po.
Thank you. This is for Coach Ryan or Coach JG. In Wuhan, the team will be playing competition. And competition that is on average 2 years older. So, diba, they're all 21. And then yung competition will be what? Maybe a lot of 23-year-olds. So, my question is there a marked difference both in skills and physiology for the 2-year gap between, let's say, 23-year-old and a 21-year-old?
To answer that question, yes, you could just see the definition of the body of a 23-year-old and from a 21-year-old. So there's that aspect. Skill-wise, I don't think there should be too much of a big gap. So again, going into the tournaments that we will be joining in September, it's just basically making sure that we have the right players for the right tournament.
One more. Yeah, Cherry, please.
Good morning po. Kay Coach Ryan.
His Excellency, Jerry.
After lang. Alam natin, Wuhan, China, originate yung COVID-19. Medyo mataas yung cases ngayon ng COVID, especially dito sa amin. May mga, ano na ba yung organizers about measures to at least maging safe yung mga players and other teams that represent. Salamat.
To be quite honest with you, Sir Jerry, now that you triggered it, we'll be asking for all those protocols necessary for us to be really well protected. Thank you for that one.
Okay, so thank you so much and congratulations, Earl, Medina, Coach Buenaflor, Juniel De La Rama, and the rest of the teams. Diba, marami pa si Coach JJ, and of course, Coach Director Ryan Gregorio. Parting words sa'yo din, expectations or pwedeng realistic goal come the World Cup and likewise come the Asian Games.
Ako po, maraming salamat po muli sa pag-imbita dito sa amin. Malaking bagay po na nakikilala ang ating mga manlalaro. It is not by accident na talagang nilalagay namin yung mga manlalaro ahead of us because they are the real heroes of every tournament that we play in. Thank you very much once again po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng SBP, sa lahat ng bumubuo ng mga schools na they represent. Thank you very much. We're only as good as, of course, the players that will represent us. And just rest assured that every time we step on the basketball court, we are really so proud wearing our Gilas Pilipinas uniform, and we will always do our best. Thank you very much, Pastor.
Thank you. Congratulations our KC Gilas team. Thank you for making us proud. Continue to make us proud. Maraming salamat. We're taking a pause, and thank you, gentlemen. You may take your seat over there na. So, we're taking a short pause, and we invite Miss Erika dito. So, okay, no? Thank you very much.
Session.